In this video, we'll learn about how to create a payment form with 4 simple steps using JSN Uniform. This is a payment form which allows the customer to select a product, choose the license, and include JSN Page Builder 3 option. Let's try to select a product and make payments. Click the Checkout button to proceed to payment. The PayPal login page will be shown. You need to log into your PayPal account. After logging in, you can see your invoice. Now let's start to create a form like this. The first step are the general settings. Make sure JSN Uniform extension is installed on your Joomla admin site. Click on the component menu item to work with JSN Uniform. Click the New button to create the payment form from blank form. In the General tab, you need to insert the title of your form. And don't forget to select Payment Integration. By default, PayPal is installed, so we just need to select the settings for this integration. Save and close the current form. Go to Integrations tab to change the settings for your PayPal. In the PayPal row, click on the Settings button. Payment Gateway Settings modal will be shown. You can select payment type as Standard or Express. In this video, we will select Standard. Turn on Test Mode and insert your Sandbox Merchant email. And settings for extra options if you want. Click on the Save button to save all the settings. The second step is to design your form. In the Design tab, click on the Add Fields button to select the fields. The first field is drop down. Select and edit this field. In the General tab, replace the name with the product. In the Values tab, click on the Edit button to change the values of this field. The second field is multiple choice. This field allows you to choose only one item on the list. Replace the title in the General tab and change the values in the Values tab. We'll change the values by the licenses of Joomla Shine products. For example, Free, Pro Standard, Pro Unlimited. Click on the Done button after finishing. Now we need to set the price for each license. Click on the dollar icon to add price and quantity to each item. You can also hide or show fields when your customer selects items by clicking the lightning icon. When the fields have prices added, don't forget to enable the payment feature for those fields. And select Yes to show the price label. The last field is Include JSN Page Builder 3. Select the multiple choice field. Replace the title in the General tab and change the values in the Values tab. Click on the dollar icon to add price and quantity to each item. You can also edit the Subtotal and Submit buttons. Replace the Submit button with Checkout. Click the Save button and go to the next step to preview your form. Click on the Preview button on the toolbar to preview the form on the front end. In preview mode, all the submit actions are disabled. Here you can see all the fields of your form as on the front end. The final step is to show the form. On the toolbar, click on the Save and Show button. The JSN Uniform extension allows you to show the form via menu item, in the module position and inside the articles. In this video, we will show the form via menu item. Select the menu you want to show. You should be redirected to the menu's New Item page. Insert the menu title. Click on the Save button. Go to the front end to check if the form has been created. Click on the Payment Form menu item. This is the payment form like the form at the beginning of the video. Let's try to select a product and make payment. Let's go to Checkout. So JSN Uniform helps you create a payment form in 4 simple steps and in only a few minutes. Now try installing and creating your own payment forms. Thank you for watching. Please check our other videos to learn more about how to work with JSN Uniform.